The Triple Crown of acting is a term used in the American entertainment industry to describe actors who have won a competitive Academy Award, Emmy Award, and Tony Award in the acting categories, the highest accolades recognized in American film, television and theater respectively. As of today, only 24 people have achieved the Triple Crown of acting. Helen Hayes' Emmy Award win on February 5, 1953, made her the first person to achieve the Triple Crown. Thomas Mitchell became the first man to achieve the Triple Crown with his Tony Award win later the same year on March 29, 1953. Hayes and Rita Moreno are the only Triple Crown winners in competitive acting categories who have also won a Grammy Award to complete the EGOT. Dame Maggie Smith has the most Triple Crown wins, with 7 awards. In the British entertainment industry, the same name has been given to the equivalent accolades in that industry: the BAFTA Film Awards, the BAFTA Television Awards and the Laurence Olivier Awards, or simply the Olivier Awards. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.